Hello everyone, this is Chris with marketingintelligencem.com, and on today's video I would like to show you a very beneficial method on how you can find 100% targeted traffic on the subject you are targeting to get people to promote your product or to promote your services. This is excellent, very good information to have. A few clicks, very easy to get. But before we go ahead and start this video, as always, I would like to ask you to click the link below this video over here in order to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make passive income from the comfort of your house every month. Very easy way, my #1 recommendation from among the videos I show you. So go ahead and click the video, and at the end of the day, this is what you're looking for to find good and nice ways in order to make extra income. And also, as always, I would like to ask you to click this link below the video in order to subscribe on my channel, the subscribe button, and also click the bell icon in order to get notified about the videos that are following this one. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. What I would like to show you guys today is, like, as we talked about on my different videos so far, it's like you can find ways to promote different products and services. Like maybe for example, if you became an affiliate, on one of my previous videos I talked on how you can become an affiliate and find products and services that you can promote, not yours, nothing to worry about your own products, maintaining, create them, and so on. Become an affiliate, push the product out, push the service out, and make money out of the sale. So one of the biggest problems that every online marketer has is to find the correct and 100% targeted audience. And today I'm going to show you a very nice way on how you can do this. So with just a few clicks, the only thing I want to show you guys today is open your Google browser and type on the search window Google Alerts. You can see, before I go there, you can see, guys, usually when Google, you typing something, will give you here all the closest researches and everything, but you are not able to see the Google Alerts. Yeah, so it's a nice trick to know, otherwise you were not able to see. Yeah, so with Google Alerts you are able to see Google Alerts monitor the web for interest in new content. Guys, this is excellent. This is gold done from Google, delivered to your plate. What this means, so you are able to create an alert. You are able to go to Google, create an alert to monitor the information and subject you are interested. So let's say, for example, on a previous video I show you how to become an affiliate, and let's say, for example, to become an affiliate and promote something for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is crazy right now. Everybody wants to put their hands on Bitcoin. Yeah, so let's say, for example, you already follow this video, you became on an affiliate site, you became a member, there is a product there, a service that is pushing for affiliate. Now you want to put your hands on 100% targeted market, where I should go and put this link. So I told you a few ways already. I told you how you can become members on blogs, and you can start creating blogs and then become member on discussions, and then from there on you can go ahead and put and throw with a nice intelligent way you are a link promoting your services, like saying, hey guys, I found this, I found it very interesting, maybe you should try it as well. Don't spam, make a discussion nice and interesting. And the other way, as I told you, you can follow Facebook groups related with the subject you are interested in. So let's say, for example, you can go and find a Facebook group, a team that is about Bitcoin, people exchanging ideas over there. You can start with raising a concern, a question: did anybody buy? How this working? Is anybody investing? What's the outcome? How this works? And bam, you throw your link there. Hey guys, on my search, on my research, I found this link. I found it very interesting. This is what it is. But this is things that you don't know 100%. Now you have Google to bring you 100% accurate information. So I'm looking for Bitcoin, yeah? So I want Google to come and say, look, there is a new section, a new article, a new forum about Bitcoin, and it will deliver it to your email, right? So Google Alerts monitor the web. Here it will give you a few suggestions, yeah? So if you want to follow the British pound, the US dollars, Amazon, and so on, But what you would like to do, let's say for example, I want to see about Bitcoin. There you go. And once you do this one, you enter your email here. Let's say for example, you put your email aaa@gmail.com and you create an alert, and guys, when it's a new article or anything related with Bitcoin or any other subject or service you would like to promote, Google will send you an email. This is a new subject, this is a new forum, this is a new thing, and you can follow. It's gonna be hot information because it's happening now. It's gonna be one of the top on the rank because Google is taking it in. So it's gonna be something hot. It's not gonna be an old article that nobody wants to pay attention, so you can go ahead and promote your information there. Guys, this is gold. I cannot emphasize how great information this is. So if you haven't already, I would suggest you, if you saw this video before my previous one on how you can make good amount of money on this one, just go ahead, see my previous video on about how to become an affiliate, on which affiliate sites and how you can use it, and from there on, use this method in order to promote your services. If you already have a service, if you already have something to push, and you are looking the best way to find 100% targeted traffic, there you have it. And that's it, guys. This is the video. Very small video, very short, but one of the most interesting videos out there. Follow it. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I would like to ask you to please click my #1 recommendation below this video. You will find it excellent. This is among the ways that I tested, the best way that I found to make passive income online. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe on my video. It would be great to have you as a follower, a subscriber, and to get your feedback on my videos. Thank you. I'm wishing you a great day ahead. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.